Hi, Graham Dossel, MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers. We're the only specialist credit repair law firm in the entire country, and we can get defaults removed in as little as 7 days. So at the end of this financial year, there are a few things that are happening. Number one, wages go up. So there's an increase, I think it's 3%. Check with your accountant if you haven't already, and be aware that if you've got employees, their salaries go up as the minimum base as of 1st of July. Another thing that goes up is, unfortunately, we're putting our prices up. We haven't done it for several years, and thinking about wages going up reminded me that yes, we're putting our prices up as well. It's a couple $100. So if you want to get in before the end of the financial year, if you've got a credit rating issue, give us a call, we'll have a look at it. And if you get started before the end of the financial year, you get it a few $100s cheaper. And the other thing, of course, is to remember that if you do get started before the end of the financial year, well, you've got the ability then to have the invoice sent out to you before the end of the financial year for our legal services, which then gives you the ability to claim it straight away. A full write-off of legal services if you're in small business or if you're self-employed. So give us a call, 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218. We can step you through your options for credit repair and tell you what you can and can't do, and hopefully get it removed in 7 days or less. Thanks heaps.